Hi friends, very good morning. I hope all you are doing really well. As you know, we are discussing about the cloud computing basic interviewer questions, and after this we will cover the deep dive interview questions like how are the access controls are managing in cloud providers, how the cryptographic are managing, and how the password management, right? How are the policies are uh, are made for the particular cloud services for each and every clients. So stay tuned, guys. One more thing, since these are the initial level of interviewer questions, so you might think that these questions are very simple. But guys, believe me, if these questions are asked in the interviewer live time, then I think we will not be able to provide the better answers. So guys, keep your visibility on each and every question so that you will have more confident for the interview sessions. So let's start, guys. If an interviewer has asked you, can you tell me the what are the advantages of the cloud services? So candidate should have answered that since these are the on-demand services, on-demand means, guys, whatever we require, whenever we require, right? Cloud providers will provide you, right? That means what are the requirements from the client side? It's a primary responsibility of the cloud providers to provide the services, whatever are the demand coming from the client side. So this is our on-demand services. Second is the measured services. Measured means um, what is the amount of services, right? What is the quantity of services, and what limit of services to be provided to the client by the cloud providers? These are the measured services. So these are the certain what can I say, as a kind of a flexibility by the cloud providers to the clients. Next is the resources pooling, guys. Point number 3, 4, 5, 6 are very important. Resources pooling means when cloud providers allows multiple clients to access the same tool and storage space within a pool of services, right? Because you know, guys, cloud providers have the capability to manage the resources. That means one tool they can allow to access the multiple clients with data separately. So such technology comes under the resources pooling. That means, guys, see, one resources and multiple clients are able to access with the isolated data. That means one client data should not be mixed with the other one. So these are the resources pooling. Very nice features by the cloud providers. Okay. Second is the scalable. Is Scalable means, guys, we can scale our requirements in two types to increase our capacity. Number one is horizontal scale. That means we can add more servers in our cluster. Next one is the vertical scale. Vertical scale, in this we can add or reduce the resources according to the servers handling. So guys, if we require the more servers to handle our capacity, that then we can request the cloud providers to arrange one server. They can arrange immediately, no problem with that, because there are n numbers of virtual servers available in the particular cloud services, right? Or we can say that if we have to increase or reduce the resources according to the server handling part, that means these facility is also available from the cloud providers. Next is the elasticity, right? Elasticity is the basic or most qualified features of the cloud services. That means amazing facility in the cloud services. If uh, in this we can quickly expand, that means increase or decrease computer processing memories or storage resources to meet the changing demands, right? Guys, for example, today we have very small scale of services we are providing, right? And on the next day, that means tomorrow, guys, we want to expand our services, and immediately we had given the requirement of two more servers, right? So guys, there is one more facility. Instead of providing the service, the particular services now, um, that particular cloud services will provide the increased computer processing, right, increased memory or increased storage to meet your changing demands on time, right, without hampering your services. Next one is the broad network access, right? That means there are n numbers of ways we can access to the cloud applications, right? Next is the multi-tenancy. This is also the amazing facility in the cloud computing is n numbers of customers which are hosted on cloud use same resources but data kept as isolated. So customers have actually no idea, and there is doesn't mixed data between the multiple clients or entities. Next question is, if an interview has asked you, can you please explain what are the roles of cloud computing in terms of the services, right? That means what are the proper services, right? Like what are the kinds of services provided by the cloud providers? So guys, there are basically four roles we need to aware of. Basically, number one is the provider. That means services provided by the company is our provider, right? Who are those? Like Microsoft Azure, like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, IBM Cloud, right? There are n numbers of the cloud services available in market. Next is the consumer, right? Guys, consumer like we, because we consumes the services. So who consumes the services? For example, we or any company who wants to use the resources. That is all our consumer. Next is the channel partner. Guys, very important channel partner and particular brokers. I will cover more extremely deep dive in the coming sessions for channel partner and brokers one, because these are the I can say backbone of the cloud services. Okay. So channel partner means third party companies offers products or services to cloud providers. Like partners denotes the services provided behalf of the cloud companies. For example, Thales provide the cryptographic services behalf of Microsoft Azure, because Thales have very nice expertise in market in terms of the cryptographic areas, right? Because guys, cloud services is a technology just, right, but the owner of the cloud services are not expertise in each and every area. So they generally had the third party behalf of them to provide the services towards the clients. So this is the channel partner. That means guys, the particular third party offering the services with the name of the cloud services. For example, Amazon Web Services. For example, Thales, right? Thales is a very big organization who have expertise in cryptographic areas, and they provide the cryptographic management keys in terms and behalf of the Microsoft Azure, let's say. Next is the broker one. Guys, broker is the backbone of the cloud services, right? So broker manages the cloud services and negotiates relationship between cloud providers and cloud consumers. For example, brokers manages the access management, password management, and many more managements, I can say, behalf of the cloud services. So this is very vast topic. So guys, I will cover the broker and channel partner in very detail in the coming sessions. So till time, only this much knowledge I think is sufficient. For example, broker these are the manages the cloud services and negotiates relationship between the providers and the consumers, like CASB, right? And channel partner means, guys, the third party provide the services behalf of the cloud providers to the particular clients. Okay. So at last, guys, stay tuned. We will discuss the CASB, that is cloud security postures, in the next videos, right? Guys, CASB is the cloud computing access management security, like how the access control management works, right? How the password managements work, right? How the how the cryptographic policies, and what are the ways from where users have to access the particular software or tools in terms of the cloud providers. So guys, stay tuned. We will discuss the cloud security postures in the next videos, definitely. And thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share, guys. One more thing guys, if you have any queries, do comments, right? I will try to provide you the appropriate answers very soon in a very short span of time. So guys, don't forget to comment. Thank you so much.